Meaning of fourth.
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 Fourth. The term fourth refers to the number or rank that follows after the third in a sequence. It can also refer to an ordinal position in a list, where each item is numbered sequentially. For example, in a race with 4 participants, the person who finishes in fourth place comes after the first, second, and third places. In general, fourth denotes the placement of something in a series, and it implies that there are 3 other items that come before it. This term is commonly used in a variety of contexts, including sports, music, education, and many other areas of life.